1 minus 4 gives us minus 3. And again, 1 minus 4 also gives us minus 3, right? And then minus 3 times minus 3, it gives us 9. Do you think that's the right answer? Unfortunately not. That's not the right answer because you fell for a big trap. Hook, line, and sinker. And that's the trap of the order of operations. If you're asking yourself, is there any order of operations? I thought you should just go from left to right. But yes, there is an order of operations. And otherwise, you would be lost. Otherwise, you would end up with a different answer. I would say this is one. Another person would claim this is the answer. So what is the correct order of operations? It is something called PEMDAS. So never be lost, learn PEMDAS. So P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and finally S stands for what? Subtraction. And this gives us an arrow of priority. It means that here we have the highest priority and here we have the lowest priority. PEMDAS means that you must go for parentheses at first, then go for exponents, then go for multiplication and division, whichever you see at first. Go from left to right. MD or DM doesn't matter, they have the same priority. Addition and subtraction go from left to right. So with this in mind, let's revisit our original problem. Do we have any parentheses? Yes, we do. So let's do the parentheses here. So 1 minus 4 times what? 1 minus 4 gives us minus 3, right? So times minus 3. Now we have subtraction and then 1 multiplication. According to PEMDAS, multiplication has a higher priority than subtraction. So let's now do this multiplication at first. So 1 minus 4 times minus 3 gives us minus 12, right? Or you can just maybe remove the parentheses. Maybe you would say, okay, 1 minus, so I just put the parentheses for better visualization. 1 minus a negative number, right? So that would be like this. 1 minus negative 12. So when you have minus a negative number, you can just turn it into the positive. So minus, minus, positive. 1 or the plus sign. 1 plus 12 gives us 13. And that's the only answer. You fell for an optical illusion. You thought 1 minus 4, it is also inside the parentheses. In reality, it was not. The 4 was paired to this. So what would the answer be maybe for your homework if 1 minus 4 inside the parentheses was a square? So please like the video and subscribe to the channel to support me. And I'll see you in the next video.